French doors leading out into a temperature-controlled lanai. You do see this lanai has tile floors. Awesome windows overlooking the retention pond. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. We do have an expanded Veracruz block and stucco designer home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome. My name is Tim. Thank you for subscribing. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom expanded Veracruz model home. Has list price at $539,900. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. I will pan left. That is north, facing north. Off to my right, that is facing south. That roof was replaced in the year 2018. And the HVAC system was replaced in the year 2020. This is an expanded Veracruz designer home. It is block and stucco. You do see it has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. The driveway is concrete. There is a stamped pattern to that driveway. It appears to be in very good condition. You do see it has very mature landscaping. It has stone in the front of the home. The walkway is a stamped concrete pattern as well. But first, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Pam Taylor, at Homecoming Realty Group. That is her contact information. I will walk up to the front of this home. You do see the stamped concrete pattern. As I walk up to this home, it does have a tile seating area here in the front of the home as well. Very good condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice are these beautiful tile floors, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. This foyer area does have a solar tube in there as well. Off to the right, you do see a laundry area, and I will visit that area a little later in the video. Off to the left, you will see a dining area and a kitchen area as well. I will go into the kitchen area. The first thing I notice is these tile floors and the beautiful countertops. I believe those are granite countertops. You do see the white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware as well. It does have an electric stove. It also has a tile backsplash as well. It is gorgeous. The sink is a stainless 2-bowl sink right there. You do have a kitchenette area or dinette area in the front of the home. Lots of cabinets in this home. You do have stainless appliances as well. Here in the kitchen or dinette area, you do see the tile floors continuing. It has recessed lighting in that kitchen as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will walk out into the dining area and the living area and show you that next. This home is an expanded Veracruz model designer home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This home does have a retention pond view. I will show you that in a little bit. This is your living area. You do see it has tile floors, very high ceilings, crown molding, acoustic texture. That is a solar tube in your living area there as well. And this is your showstopper view. You do have a retention pond view. Off to the left, you do have a primary bedroom area. I will visit that a little bit later as well. You do have built-ins here as well. Crown molding continuing. French doors leading out into a temperature-controlled lanai. You do see this lanai has tile floors. Awesome windows overlooking the retention pond. This is a temperature control lanai. You do have an HVAC duct right up there. Very large lanai. I will take a walk to the back of this home. Off this lanai, you have a bird cage with a hot tub that has tile floors. That is your bird cage right there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That is your retention pond view. We are in the village of Santo Domingo, here in the northern part of the villages. That is a west-facing view. Actually, that is an east-facing view. That is your backyard right there. Very nice. Very awesome home. Love the location. That is your side yard there. That is your home right there, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, expanded Veracruz model. Fantastic view on this home. Let's go inside and take a look at the rest of this home. Here I am walking into the living area again. Off to the left of the living area, you do see a guest bedroom. Guest bedroom has laminate floors. As I walk into this guest bedroom, you do notice it has plantation shutters. It has raised panel sliding doors on the closet with wire rack shelves. I will next walk out into the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has tile floors, 1 sink. It has a tub and shower. That shower surround is tiled as well. Very neutrally colored bathroom. This is another bedroom slash craft room slash office. It has laminate floors. This has been expanded. It's been expanded back to the back of the home as well as to the side of the home. This bedroom was converted into a craft area. It has a closet with sliding raised panel doors. This expanded area has laminate floors, and the owner did use this area as a craft room, work room. You see it has cabinets in this area. That craft room area there has tile floors, very large craft area. It also has a stainless sink, more cabinets. This is an awesome space for anybody who has a need for a craft room or extra storage of any sort. Could even convert this into a game room if you wanted to. It has recessed lighting. It does overlook that retention pond, Formica countertops. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Very gorgeous view over that retention pond. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom area, and then I will walk out into the garage area and give you one last panoramic view of the home. Here we are walking into the primary bedroom. This is a split bedroom design. Here's your primary bedroom, tile floors, very high ceilings, crown molding. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. That is a mirrored wall right there between those two windows. Here's the walk-in closet off the primary bedroom, tile floors, wire rack shelf. Your windows overlooking the retention pond from this primary bedroom area. Very nice. Here's the primary bathroom. Primary bathroom, tile floors, white cabinets, plantation shutters, 2 sinks. It does have a commode space with a sliding pocket door. That is your shower right there. Glass door on the shower. That is a tiled shower there as well. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Does have a seat in that shower. And there is a window above the commode as well. Right there is your window. Here's another walk-in closet. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Very tall ceilings, lots of wire rack shelves in that closet. Just to give you perspective, there's even drawers. Looking off back into that primary bathroom. Next, I will walk out into the garage area, the laundry area. I'll show you that. Give you one last panoramic view of the living space. There's your dining space, your kitchen. And off to the right of the foyer is your laundry area. That is your laundry room. Tile floors. There's even a window in that laundry area. Here's your garage. It's a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. Insulated garage doors, I notice. This is a block and stucco home. HVAC was replaced in 2020. That's right there. Let's walk out into the rest of this home. And outside we go. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me. Located here in the village of Santo Domingo. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco expanded Veracruz model is offered at $539,900. Have a great week, everyone.